Hey everyone, it's Victoria James and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and click that red subscriber button, let it turn gray, and become a JBaes. JBaes are the best face on YouTube because they tune in whenever I upload to chit chat and all that about luxury and high-end beauty. I am in the car. I'm going to turn off the AC, but if it gets too hot, y'all, I will have to turn it back on. There we go. Yeah, we're gonna try to roll with it, but I gotta tell you, it's getting warm. Okay, it's getting warm, and it's especially hot in the car. So, I've got a Sephora haul today. I don't do these often, but I'm doing it today. So let's start with the first thing, because I'm not a Sol de Janeiro girl, but I do see the value in layering your scents with the different types of scents that are out there, or different types of sprays that are out there, like your eau de perfume, your eau de toilette, your body oil, your body lotion, etc. So I thought I would try this Beijos del Sol from Sol de Janeiro. It has notes of, let me see, it says, take a bite out of summer with fresh notes of peach skin, coconut milk, and frangipani petals. Now, I love a good frangipani, honey. So I said, all right. And then coconut milk, like that nice sort of gourmand, milky scent, and anything peach. I don't care if it's the stem of the peach. Like, listen, I love peach. So that's where we are. I smelled it in store. I really like it. It's hair and body mist. So I was like, okay, let's try it. That's cool. I did pick up a couple more fragrances, but they're fragrances that I am familiar with and just always wanted, but only travel size, because I am at a point now where I'm like, I have a cute collection and I'm not going to be one of the fragrance girls. Okay. Like, I'm not one of the fragrance girls. So I'm just doing travel sizes of things. And if I run out of it quickly and I feel like, oh, I really want it, then I'll turn around and buy like a full size version of it. Here it is. Okay. Marc Jacobs Perfect. This is my favorite Marc Jacobs scent. And if I run out of this fast enough, I will absolutely buy the 3.4 ounce. It smells amazing. I don't want to spray it on me because I have Florist from Elise Brooklyn on, and I don't think it'll mix well. But Perfect is literally perfect. This is a bomb scent. If you've never smelled it, do yourself a favor. Doesn't have the notes listed on here, but you can check it out on the Sephora website. And then Myth is an incredibly popular Elise Brooklyn scent that I think is phenomenal. Again, just decided to grab the travel size because I have so many things in rotation. But if I find that I use this up quickly, I'm more than happy to go grab the big girl. And I threw away a few of my mascaras recently, so I wanted to re-up on mascaras, and like just grab two, because you rotate through these pretty quickly. I decided to grab FanFest. They're both repurchases, by the way, and Limitless Lash. These are bomb. So we just repurchased these. All right. Something I needed for my purse was a hand cream, so I decided to get the one from Rare Beauty because it's cute and round and supposed to be very hydrating. And this is kind of like her foray into skin care. Isn't this cute? I thought this was so adorable. It says find comfort hydrating hand cream. So I don't know if you twist it, you pull it. Okay, it's a twist. Oh, okay, this does not come off. You just twist it like that to open it up. Let's try about that much. And then you close. I like this. I love it. I'm about to put that in my purse now. Let's see what we're doing. Does it have a scent? No, not really. I mean, it smells. It doesn't have a scent. It kind of reminds me of like baby products, but it feels nice. It feels nice and creamy. Gives me like L'Occitane vibes. It's got a nice sort of you could definitely tell there's some butters up in here. Yeah, this is nice. I like a hand cream that'll linger for a little bit. I'm with it. So that's cute. I could definitely see myself repurchasing that one. I like that. And let's see, what else did we get? Oh, okay. I'll talk about that in just a second, because I have another repurchase in here that I wanted to share with y'all. This is, yeah, from Lawless. And this isn't necessarily a repurchase. This is me actually purchasing it. Like, I was gifted this for review. The Forget the Lip Filler Plumping Line Smoothing Tinted Balm Stick in Posy. This is the exact shade and product that I was gifted, and I am now buying it because I really like it. I ran through it really fast, and I was like, I need that again. I really like that. It works out so well. And I think I was sharing it with Nala, but like, this is mine. This one's mine now, okay? They didn't have a lot going on in there. Like, they're out of a lot of things because I wanted one of the Tower 28 glosses, those lip jellies, but they didn't have the shade I wanted. And let's see what else we got here. Oh, from Fenty, I picked up one of those Demi Glow Light Diffusing Highlighters. I didn't see any Janessa Marcs in there. That's actually what I wanted. But I also, you know, I like the formula of this. It's very smooth and blends in super nicely into your skin. You do get the light catching, twinkling goodness, but it's not chunky at all. And I was like, yeah, I'm with that. So I ended up getting Trophies in Truffles number 7. And I swatched a few of them. And then this is the one that I settled on. And don't you worry, y'all. We will absolutely do trying new makeup video very shortly. I decided to grab one of the new formulated Nars blushes. I think I picked up Orgasm Rush the first time around, which is a shimmer. And this time I got a matte. So this one is Dolce Vita, which is a very popular shade for them. And I liked it out of all the ones that I A, swatched, and B, were available. Because you know I wanted Exhibit A. But it was gone. So that's that. And then the last couple of things I got are from Laura Mercier. I've been wanting to try these for a while and just didn't, quite frankly, I didn't have the disposable income to do so, but now I do. And so this is Real Flawless Lightweight Perfecting Concealer from Laura Mercier, and I ended up with shade 4C1. I felt like this was the best one for brightening for me. Surprisingly, a cool tone, right? I usually get neutral, but the lighter, the two neutrals that were closest to each other, one I think was 4 and 2, and it was too close to my skin tone. I felt like once I blended it out, you probably wouldn't notice it, because I ended up with, for the foundation, shade 5 and 2, and it's just a little too close. This is the Real Flawless Weightless Perfecting Foundation. These are both serum infused complexion products. So like I said, I got Cardamom, which is 5 neutral 2. And then for the concealer, I got 4C1. This one was a perfect in between from wherever we were going with 4. 4N1 was too light for my liking. And then 4N2 was too close to my skin tone. So this is like right in the middle. And I think it's just a matter of undertone. You know, the Kohl is kind of like, you know, peachy or orange, depending on how deep you are. And so it'll help color correct, but it will also brighten. I think we're definitely doing a dedicated video and wear a test on this girl. And so that is my little haul. Nice and quick. I hope that was enjoyable for y'all. Any questions that you have, comments, anything like that, let's chit chat and all that in the comment section on this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. From my car, shout out to Jacqueline of Hey It's Jacqueline. This is for you, girl, because she is the one that I watch all the time do her car hauls from Sephora. And I was like, when I was walking out of Kohl's at Sephora, I said, let me try it. Let me try that out because I have time. My daughter doesn't get off for another hour. So I'm about to drink from this ridiculously priced cup. And God, that is good. Like the fact that it's still cold. I am just so used to a regular cold cup from Starbucks. And I don't have, like, I never saw the hype or interest in the Yeti or the other girlies that claim they're insulated and all of that. I was just like, all right, whatever. If you say so. Like, I would buy those kind of like thermos style cups for my daughter, but I never felt like I needed one. And this is a baddie. This is a baddie. I am, you know what? And when I think about the price tag, aren't the Stanley cups $40 on their own? And then a Starbucks cold cup is around $20 to $30 on its own. So the $65 price tag actually makes a lot of sense in terms of them both getting their cut without having to sacrifice anything. You know what I mean? So, I mean, sure. And it's pretty. It's cute. Oh, that's good. And you get 10% off when you bring your Starbucks cup in for a drink. If you want to have them put it in your cup, you get 10% off. All right. That's it. That's all she wrote. I'm going to get on out of here and do some more vlogging. We got some Target goodies to put away for my daughter and some clothes for me because I'm really enjoying their linen blends a lot. All right. Gotta go. Hope you have a good rest of your day. I love you for watching, and I will see you next time. Mwah. Bye.